Hi, this is Vera. Good afternoon, everyone. I am so excited. Today I got this delivered. I got the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I got the base model. The base model with 2.6 gigahertz with Core i7 and 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. This is by far my most expensive purchase. I spent like $2,715 with tax. This is my very first MacBook ever. I've been using PC for like the rest of my life. So I am so super excited. And now, I got the space gray 16-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to be using this computer for editing. So like I've been searching on Google and everything, and by far this is the best MacBook for video editing for all you creators. All right, let's get to the unboxing. All right, I'm gonna unbox. And ready, rumble. Really nice. The Apple logo, so soft. Nice. It's a nice space gray finish. Ready. Now this is so in the package it comes with a MacBook Pro user guide, gray Apple stickers. A 96 watts USB-C charger for the MacBook Pro, and a USB-C cable. And that's it. And this is my first unboxing video. So if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. All right. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.